Scikit-learn, how to calculate the true negative. I am using scikit-learning and need to calculate the true positive, TP, the false positive, FP, the true negative, TN, and the false negative, FN, from a confusion matrix like this. I know how to calculate the TP, the FP and the FN, but I don't know how to get the TN. Can someone tell me?
I think you should treat this multi-class classification in a one versus the rest manner, so each 2x2 table I measures the performance of a binary classification problem that whether each OBS belongs to label I or not. Consequently, you can calculate the TP, FP, FN, TN for each individual label.
I think for a multi-class problem like this you have to decide which one of these four classes can be considered positive, and you have to combine rest 3 as negative to calculate true negative, but a detailed discussion was done here.
Deze optie is al zeer frustrating.